US President Donald Trump clarified that Russian President Vladimir Putin is not required to meet Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky as a precondition for a bilateral meeting between Trump and Putin. However, sources confirm Putin has agreed to meet Zelensky, but only under specific conditions yet to be disclosed. Speaking to reporters in the Oval Office, Trump addressed whether Putin must engage with Zelensky first, stating, "No, he doesn't." This shifted from earlier White House suggestions favoring a trilateral meeting with Putin, Zelensky, and Trump to resolve the Russia-Ukraine conflict, ongoing since Russia's invasion in February 2022.
Meet with him, he doesn't have to agree to meet with Zelensky. Is that what you're saying?
No, he doesn't. No.
So when do you think that meeting?
They would like to meet with me, and I'll do whatever I can to stop the killing. So last month, they lost 14,000 people killed last month. Every week is 4,000 or 5,000 people. So I don't like long waits. I think it's a shame. And they're mostly soldiers.
The Kremlin confirmed a Trump-Putin summit is set for the coming days, with a venue agreed upon but undisclosed. Putin's advisor, Yuri Ushakov, suggested the United Arab Emirates as a quite suitable location, citing Russia's allies. Ushakov noted U.S. envoy Steve Witkoff, who met Putin in Moscow on Wednesday, proposed a trilateral format, but the summit will be Trump-Putin only, despite Putin's conditional agreement to meet Zelensky. Zelensky emphasized Ukraine and Europe's role in peace talks, writing on X, "The war is happening in Europe, and Ukraine is an integral part of Europe." He noted security officials from Ukraine, Europe, and the US were aligning on formats, including bilateral and trilateral discussions, to ensure Ukraine's inclusion. Trump's Friday ceasefire deadline, backed by sanction threats, faced skepticism. Asked if it held, Trump said, "It's going to be up to him, Putin. We're going to see what he has to say." Very disappointed. As summit preparations advance, Trump-Putin talks signal potential de-escalation. Putin's conditional willingness to meet Zelensky offers hope, but Ukraine insists on full inclusion in any resolution process.